Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We solved the inequality for the cases when the coefficient of the unknown was positive. Today we will solve the problem for the cases when the coefficient is negative. We will have to change the formula sign. So let's start. I will say if coefficient is smaller than 0, then I have to change the formula sign. So I will say if we have smaller character in f sign, then f sign is equal f sign dot replace. So we will replace all occurrences of lower than with larger than. Okay, else we'll replace all occurrences of larger than with lower than. So larger than with lower than. And then we are printing the same message, but with a different formula sign. Okay, so we don't need this code anymore. We had it here for testing purposes. Okay, I will save this file. And let's run our test cases. So starting with the initial test case. This is good. Second one. Good as well. Third one. Perfect. Fourth one. Very good. Fifth one. Okay, so this had a negative coefficient here. We changed the formula sign. X is larger than 9. Very good. Sixth test. And seventh test. Okay, this also had a negative coefficient and it changes the lower than with larger than. Everything is good. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.